almost done collecting all the dried leaves at our backyard. Good morning everyone. Happy New Year po ulit. I started all early in the morning to sweep our backyard. It was a lot of dried leaves. It was a windy weather yesterday, so many dried leaves. Look at that. The third one. That's the fourth one. That's the fifth one. So many dried leaves. Tingnan nyo yung hindi ko pa nawalisan. Parang ilang araw na hindi nagwalis. Kahapon lang naman ako hindi nakawalis. Dahil bagong taon. Umalis kami hanggang doon. Daming dahon. Yan po ang aking manawalisan araw-araw sa likod ng aming bahay. Dami kasing mga puno. That's mango tree. And that's pomelo. Hindi yata pomelo, orange yata. Ito ata ang pomelo. And then paper tree. O yung tinatawag atang melina. And that's guava tree. And this is acacia. And this one is, kalimutan ko lang yung tawag dyan sa malunggay. And this is mulberry. See? May bunga. A lot of fruits. Ang liit na puno pero namumunga na siya. Dami niyang bunga. At yan, sampalok. Dami rin niyang bunga. Kaya lang hindi masarap pang asim sa sinigang kasi yan yung matamis pag nahinog na. Kaya yung bunga niya mura pa pag pinang-asim mo mapakla. Kala ko mayang hapon pa namin susunugin. Sinunog na pala na aking sister. Tapos na mawalisan. Pampausok ng mangga para sa mamulaklak. Hanggang doon sa dulo. Mawalisan araw-araw. Brown. Smile ka nga. Smile. Guinea pig. They're eating grass. Today is January 13. And this is my everyday routine. Sweeping our yard. Right now I'm here on our backyard and just done collecting all the dried leaves. Look at that. How much dried leaves I've just collected. There's a lot of trees here on our backyard. That is, I think it's pomelo. I'm not sure it's pomelo. And this is mango. And that's our neighbor. We have a lot of trees. Some of them fruit trees. And just trees here on our backyard. From here up to there. dried leaves here. Here's a wow. Hi. To here. Then also here. And now I'm going to our front yard. And now I'm here in front of our house, our front yard. It's time for me to clean here also because at the back I'm just done sweeping all the dried leaves. So let's go po. Magwalis na po tayo. Sa side muna niya. And now that side naman. See? Dito naman po tayo sa side na to. Daming wawalisin. Not yet totally done. Tanghali na kasi. I need to go out. Kaya hindi ko matapos-tapos ang walisin. Yan. Yung mga manok. Collect lang ako ng dried leaves ng Nara dito. Hindi pa totally na walis. Ayun siya. Collect ako. Ang dami. Tanungin ko maya. This is a calamansi tree.